I'm just about to reveal a few different ways that you can make money on TikTok without creating your own content, so let's get started. And now guys, let me be crystal clear. If you don't want to create your own content and you don't want to run your own channel either, the first thing you can do in order to make money with TikTok is actually help other content creators. And there are a bunch of different ways you can do that. For instance, you can help them with services like video editing. If you go over to Fiverr.com, which is one of the biggest freelancer marketplaces out there, and you search for TikTok editor, you're gonna find a bunch of other freelancers who are making significant amounts of money. Let's just run the numbers here. Have a look at this. This video editor is selling their services at least $20, and they've sold over 600 times. Now, if we multiply that, that's over $12,000 generated on Fiverr alone. And that is not just an isolated case, that is not just a coincidence. As a matter of fact, if you keep on scrolling here, you're gonna notice there are so many other people making decent amounts of money. And even when it comes to video editing, there are a bunch of different sub-niches that you can go for. Instead of focusing on transitions and things like that, you can just focus on captioning videos in a specific style. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with Alex Hormozy. Well, his marketing team has pretty much invented this captioning style that is really intriguing and captivating, and a lot of other people have started imitating that. So if you can master that skill, which is captioning videos in this style, you can easily charge $20 for a single clip that is up to 30 seconds long. If your client wants to edit a 60-second clip, you can charge about $40 for one of those. And of course, you can give them a discount for bulk purchases, which is going to encourage them to keep on doing business with you. If you're doing a great job here, you only need a few recurring clients and you can keep on making money month after month, because they will keep on posting content. So this is a great example of how just helping out a content creator on TikTok can actually make you money. But let's move on to the next one. Something else you can do to make money on TikTok without creating any of your content is helping people with their marketing strategy. Offering TikTok organic growth services. Look at this. This freelancer on Fiverr has sold this service over 100 times and they are charging at least $70 for their service. This is just the basic package. They also have the standard one at over $100 and the premium option with the 30 days growth trial that is selling for over 130 bucks. The bottom line is this. If you can help content creators increase their reach, get in front of more people, improve their TikTok stats, then you can certainly make money off of it. But now, let's just take it to the next level. Let's say that you don't want to create your own content, as in record your own content or show your face on camera, but you would like to run your own TikTok account instead of doing this for somebody else. Well, here's a very interesting option. I want you guys to open a new Google tab and search for the TikTok Reddit bot. Then you want to find this upload on GitHub and scroll down. Now let me just play this video for a few seconds.
These types of videos, Reddit videos.
This content creator, whose YouTube channel is called Coding with Lewis, has created a bot that will literally allow you to create content for your TikTok automatically. So there's very little input required from your end. You won't have to record anything yourself. You won't have to show your face in front of the camera or reveal your identity. As a matter of fact, most of these posts are generated almost automatically. So here's how it works in a nutshell. But instead of going through the tutorial here, which goes over the code and how to use it properly, by the way, this is a short tutorial, it's only 6 minutes long. Instead of boring you guys with the technicalities, let me actually show you a few examples of the videos you can create using this bot. For that reason, what I'm gonna do is connect to TikTok.com and search for Reddit stories. Guys, have a look at this.
As a student, what is the saddest thing you have found out about your teacher?
The Reddit video maker bot is putting together short clips that are nothing but a compilation of Reddit stories and a bunch of gameplay footage in the background, or just stock footage. Then they're also adding some sort of captioning, and that's it, you're good to go. And the best part, the craziest part about this concept is that the videos are literally generating millions of views on TikTok. For some reason, people absolutely love them. And once again, there's very little editing needed from your end. All you gotta do is go over to this upload on GitHub, go through the tutorial, it's worth the watch, and then you just want to run a few snippets of code on your device. They will walk you through the installation process and how to actually use it, so you can create something that looks like this. This is the actual reference video posted on GitHub, so this is exactly what your video is going to turn out like. Let's actually play it for a few seconds. I'm also gonna play the sound.
Romanticizing, the starving artist, mental illness,
Look at that. As you can see, the video is just a bunch of screenshots glued together, but it is actually the topic that generates so much engagement. Most of these are very interesting, very compelling and engaging stories, and that's why people love to watch them. Now, if you were to ask me, I would personally take it to the next level, and I would combine the use of this bot with my own contribution. I wouldn't just use that automated voiceover, and I would actually do it myself. But again, this video is about making money on TikTok without making your own content, so let's stick to that. If you want to use these videos as they are, you are allowed to do so, and as a matter of fact, a bunch of TikTok pages are already doing it. But the question is, how do you actually monetize these clips? Well guys, let me show you how. When it comes to TikTok paying you by ad revenue for your videos, I'm pretty sure you guys know that TikTok is not necessarily the most generous platform. Let's just put it that way. It's not gonna make you a lot of money. You need millions upon millions of views to make any significant amounts, and it's not worth it. And that's why we need to find additional income streams. And here's what I had in mind. Let's just say that our TikTok page's theme is all about dating experiences, embarrassing dating stories, things of that kind. We can find a bunch of those on Reddit, and some of them are hilarious. Well, just by posting those videos, what you're gonna end up doing is building a following that cares about that type of content. And in order to actually make money off of this, once you have the traffic, once you have built the audience, all you need to do is just find a product they care about and that would actually benefit them. For that reason, I want you guys to connect to digistore24.com. This is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces for digital products, and they have a bunch of categories on the left-hand side. Now, if you go over to the dating, love, and relationship section, you can actually find a product like this one, which is called His Secret Obsession, that helps women with their relationships. This is an example of a product that would be suitable for that specific niche. But let's just say that you want to go for something else. You want to focus on health and fitness and find relevant stories related to that. Well, you're free to do so. As a matter of fact, the choice is yours here. You are in full control because, after all, it is your TikTok page, so you can post whatever you want to. And last but most certainly not least, perhaps the most efficient way you can make money on TikTok without recording any of your own content is called influencer marketing, where you're basically selling products and you're paying freelancers in order to promote them. Now, of course, you're not gonna go straight over to Charlie D'Amelio here because that would be crazy expensive. But you can start with micro-influencers who have a good-sized audience of people who actually care about their content, and you can ask these freelancers to promote your product. And don't get me wrong, you don't necessarily need to manufacture those products yourself. You can just do e-commerce. You can do drop shipping. What most people do is connect to AliExpress, Alibaba, and they find very cool, undervalued products. You just want to find something that has some cool functionality to it, or it genuinely looks good. I mean, this one is not too bad. This is a really cool item, right? And you can buy it for $4. I'm pretty sure you can resell this to a US audience for $15 or so. So what you can do is actually ask an influencer to promote your product, to do an unboxing video or some sort of a product review video, and you're gonna pay them a flat fee up front. Now, in order to do that efficiently, you need to make sure that your product is actually selling, it's a good product. So it may take a little bit of testing. You don't just want to go over to a huge influencer, pay them a huge amount of money, and then just hope, because that's not a sustainable strategy. You want to make sure that everything is crystal clear and your process is streamlined. But influencer marketing might actually be one of the most efficient ways to get more exposure for your products in 2023 and beyond. And that's why we're seeing a lot of big brands start to promote their products and services through influencers. I mean, even Mr. Beast has recently made a partnership with Shopify, so that just goes to show that influencer marketing is a big thing. And guys, to be honest, I don't even want to know how expensive that was. But the thing is, you can replicate that same exact process at a smaller scale and still get results. So you have all the resources you need to make this work. It doesn't matter if you decide to just help out a content creator by editing their videos or putting together their marketing strategy, or you want to run your own TikTok channel but not actually create your own videos. You've got a bunch of different ways to make money on TikTok without producing any content yourself. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.